Okay, so we're gonna be showing you how to rob the cargo boat. So you have to get your helicopter. Any helicopter has to have a rope. So get your helicopter, go out to like the sea area, take it in the back of the map, and then you have to look for it, the boat. Look, this might take like some time, but you might hear like missiles, yeah, missiles. You see that? You see that? So you see this boat. You have your rope. So once you put your boat, and you see one of these crates. Ah, you want to see that white thing on the bottom? If you just saw it, now you see this green little, looks like a bank thing. Like yeah. So you want to just hit G or tap. So once you're here, you want to make sure you make it in. So hit G or tap your screen, whatever you're on. Then that's how you rob the cargo boat. So hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time. Bye.